Hi children, today we will start a new topic. The name of the topic is curves. Okay, now what do you mean by a curve? What do you mean by a curve? Suppose if you put the sharp tip of a pencil or a pen on a sheet of paper and moving from one point to another like this way, you will get some shapes. Is it? This type of shapes are known as curves. Without lifting the pencil, if you are drawing anything, without lifting the pencil, if you are drawing anything, that's a curve. This is a curve. This is a curve. Without lifting the pencil or pen, if you are drawing anything on a sheet of paper, that is known as curve. Okay. Suppose we can say that this is a curve. Okay. Anything. Without lifting the pencil, if you are drawing anything, that's a curve. Okay, children. So, what do you mean by curve? Any drawing straight or non-straight we can say. What do you mean by curve? Any drawing straight or non-straight done without lifting the pencil. Without lifting the pencil is called as curve. So we can say line. Our line is also a curve. Line is also a curve. Line is also a curve. So, curve means what? Without lifting the pencil or pen. Suppose if you are drawing anything, that's a curve. Okay. I hope curve is clear. Now, there are different, just look at the examples. These are examples for curves. Examples for curves. Okay. Now, look at the next example. This also examples for curve. Curve means any drawing straight or non-straight done without lifting the pencil or without taking the pencil. If you are drawing anything, that's a curve. Okay, children. Now, there are different types of curve. The first one is simple curve. A curve which does not cross itself. This is very important. A curve which does not cross itself is known as a simple curve. That means, suppose this is a simple curve. It is not crossing. Now, look at this, children. There is a crossing, is it? So, it is not a simple curve. Simple curve means what? Which does not cross itself. No crossing is allowed. Okay. This is a simple curve. This is a simple curve. There is no crossing, is it? This is a simple curve. No crossing is allowed. This is a simple curve. What about this? Is it a simple curve? No. Here one crossing is there. So, it is not a simple curve. Simple curve means what? A curve which does not cross itself. I hope it's clear. Now, the next type of curve is open curve. Open curve means what? A curve whose starting point is different from the end point. That means the starting point and end point is different. We started from here and we end here. Suppose we start from here and we end here. Okay. The starting point and ending point is different. This type of curves are called open curve. So, open curve means starting point and ending point is different. Such types of curves are called open curve. Now, the next one is closed curve. Closed curve means what? A curve whose starting point and ending point are same. That means you can say a closed figure. Okay. Closed figure means closed curve. Closed curve. This is a closed curve. Ending point and starting point is same. Such types of curves are called closed curve. This is also a closed curve. Okay, starting point and ending point is same. Such types of curves are called closed curve. Okay, children. Now, the next topic is simple closed curve. Simple closed curve means what? From the name itself, the word closed is there, is it? The closed curve which do not cross itself. We already learned. Simple curve means what? A curve which does not cross itself. If it is simple closed curve, what do you mean by that? A curve, a closed curve that do not cross itself. That means we can say this is a simple curve. Simple closed curve. It is closed and there is no crossing. So, we can say it's a simple closed curve. Like the same way you can say this is a simple closed curve. There is no crossing and it is closed also. Closed means starting point and ending point is same. So, we can say these are examples for a simple closed curve. I hope it's clear. Curve means any drawing straight or non-straight without lifting the pencil or pen. If you are drawing anything in a sheet of paper, that's a curve. Simple curve means what? What do you mean by simple curve? Simple curve means what? A curve which does not cross itself. Okay, no crossing is allowed. That is, such type of curves are called simple curve. And what do you mean by open curve? Open curve means starting point and ending point is different. Such types of curves are called open curve. And what do you mean by closed curve? Starting point and ending point is same. Such type of curves are called closed curve. And what do you mean by simple closed curve? Simple closed curve means it's a closed curve, but no crossing is also not allowed. Okay, a closed curve that do not cross themselves are called simple closed curve. I hope all these different types of curves are clear. Now we have to learn one more topic, position in a figure. Position in a figure means a closed curve has three parts. Which are three parts? Interior. Interior means inside. Interior means inside. Boundary means on the curve. Exterior means outside. So, a closed curve has three parts. Which are the three parts? Interior, exterior and boundary. Instead of the word interior, you can use instead. Boundary means on the curve and exterior means outside the curve. Now, suppose this is a closed curve. You can see that this is a closed curve. And inside this curve, suppose there is a point A, okay, or you can say point B. So, here the points A and B is in the interior of the curve, or you can say inside the curve, okay. So, interior portion means what? This inside portion is known as interior portion, inside portion. You shade it completely, okay. This inside portion is known as interior portion, and exterior portion means what? Outside the portion. Suppose the point C here, D here, E here. So, C, D, E are the exterior points, not inside the point, not it's outside. So, we can say these are the points in the exterior, okay, exterior points, or outside you can say. A, B, or if it is F is there, A, B, F are the points inside the curve, or you can say interior of the curve. And one more thing is the boundary. Boundary means what? This is the boundary line, is it? If suppose a point here, it is K. So, that is the boundary point. Okay, the K is on the boundary. Suppose the point, boundary means the outer line. Okay, the outer line is known as boundary. Suppose if the point L, we can say K and L is on the boundary, is it? And C, D, E are outside, that means exterior. The points A, B, F are inside, or you can say interior. Okay. So, closed curve has three parts. Which are the three parts? Interior, inside, boundary or on, exterior or outside. I hope it's clear. Now look at this, children. The interior of a curve together with its boundary. There is a name for that. The interior of a curve together with its boundary is known as region of the curve. Interior of a curve together with its boundary. That means, look at this figure, this interior portion together with the boundary. Okay, together with the boundary, we can say that is the region of that particular curve. I hope all these topics are clear. That's all for today. Thank you.